I'm going to show you how to make a do-it-yourself face mask for 20 cents that will work better than any cream out there. It's inexpensive, super anti-aging. It's going to tighten your skin, nourish your skin. If you have any darker scars or darker blemishes, it'll lighten those up. It's going to also help if you have any acne or little red dots. It's going to make your skin look very youthful and healthy. And at the end of this video, you're going to add one more thing, which will cost you nothing extra to take your skin to the next level. And this video is very short, so you're going to want to watch the whole thing. What are we going to use as a face mask? The answer is the clear part of the egg. You're simply going to take the white of the egg, put it in a bowl, do a little whisking, and then you're going to apply a very thin layer to your skin on your face. Wait 15 to 20 minutes until it dries. It's going to tighten everything up. It's going to make your skin look and feel really youthful. That's pretty simple, right? Well, now we're going to add one more thing to take it to the next level. Let's see if you can guess what this is. This extra thing is super high in something that a lot of people are deficient in. Vitamin A. The more you're deficient in vitamin A, the rougher your skin is going to be. It's loaded with vitamin A and vitamin D, E, K, B vitamins, and choline, which are all wonderful for your skin. If you guessed egg yolk,
that answer is correct.
I mean, you're already adding the egg white. Why not just throw in the yolk? Because the white handles the tightening factor on the skin and the wrinkles, but the yolk actually gives nutrition into the skin directly, especially with the vitamin A and these other nutrients. Then you're going to rinse off the entire egg with warm water and gently dry it with a towel. Do this 2 times a week. Adding the egg yolk actually adds a healing factor and a regenerative factor. You may want to add a teaspoon of yogurt to this mix just to add some additional things that will help with your microbiome on the skin. Just make sure that the yogurt is not sweetened. You want organic plain yogurt. This is a very, very inexpensive but awesome thing you can do to help with anti-aging on your skin. Doing this once or twice a week. I would also recommend eating more eggs in your diet. I personally eat 4 eggs every single day, okay, for one of my meals. If you're female, maybe you have 3 or 2, but I know other females that have 5 eggs every single day. Consuming eggs are like a superfood. It's the highest quality protein that you can eat. If you're going to fry the egg, fry it in olive oil or butter or even coconut oil. Do not use regular corn oil or other seed oils. This way we can attack the skin from 2 ways, from the outside in and then from the inside out. Now that you know how to use this face mask on your skin, now let's go a little deeper. I want to show you how to heal your skin from the inside out. And to take your skin from the next level, to heal it from the inside out, watch this video right now. This one, right there. Click it.